Very good morning to students. We will continue today the properties of gamma function. In last lecture, we discussed about the two property of gamma function. Then first property is gamma 1 is equal to 1 and gamma n plus 1 is equal to n. There are the two important properties of gamma function. And properties of gamma function and beta function are very important for university paper purpose. Okay, so therefore today we will discuss the next property of gamma function. Then the next property of gamma function is to prove that gamma n is equal to integration 0 to 1 log 1 upon y to the power n minus 1 dy. Now this is the very important part of properties. Substitution term. Substitution term is very important part of gamma function and beta function. Now proof, we know that from definition of gamma function. First we write the definition of gamma function is gamma n is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 into dx. This is the equation number 1. On putting log 1 upon y is equal to x. This term log 1 upon y to the power n minus 1 e to the power x, term of e to the power x is absent in the proved part. Therefore log 1 upon y to the power n minus 1, this is the proved part. We substitute x by the log 1 upon y. Therefore the substitution part is log 1 upon y is equal to x. That means x variable is replaced by y variable. Therefore 1 upon y is equal to e to the power x and y is equal to e to the power inverse function y is equal to, then dy upon dx is equal to minus e to the power minus x, dx को replace कर दिया, then minus both term both sided by multiply by minus term minus dy is equal to e to the power minus x into dx. This is on putting these values and these values in equation 1. By equation 1 is the limit will be changed as per the substitution. First x is converted into the form of y. So x first limit e to the power 0, y equal to e to the power minus 0, this y equal to 1. This is 1, and then after that infinity positive term we will change in the positive format e to the power infinity. 1 upon e to the power infinity is always infinity, so 1 upon infinity is 0. This is 0, and e to the power minus x into dx. This term e to the power minus x and dx is replaced by minus dy into x. X is replaced by log 1 upon y to the power n minus 1. Gamma n is equal to this term minus 1 to 0 log 1 upon y to the power n minus 1 dy. And the property of definite integral, if we change the limit, upper limit in the format of lower limit and lower limit in the format of upper limit, then the use negative sign. So change the limit 0 to 1 and extra limit, extra minus sign, minus will be plus log 1 upon y to the power n minus 1 into dy. This is the proof part of first property. Okay, next property, to prove that gamma n plus 1, not gamma n plus 1 is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus y 1 upon n into dy. As I say, substitution part of gamma and beta function is very important part. Substitution part. Therefore, we compare the definition part and proof part. Now first we write, we know that from definition of gamma function, gamma n equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 into dx. This is the definition part. This is the definition part. Now substitution part. E to the power, this term is absent in proof part. Therefore, we compare e to the power minus x. So e to the power minus x equal to e to the power minus 1. This term, same, minus and minus will be present over here. Now, different term is by to the power 1 upon n. So now we substitute, we have the substitute term is x equal to by to the power 1 upon n. Therefore, the variable x will be changed in the format of by variable. Now we differentiate x with respect to y to dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon n. First we differentiate on power term 1 upon n. Y to the power 1 upon n minus 1 dy 1 upon n by to the power 1 upon n minus 1 into dy. Cross multiplication, and this value and this value is in the definition form. Now we replace in definition format gamma n equal to 0 to infinity. X is replaced by this. X is replaced by this n minus 1 dx. Dx, the value of dx is 1 upon n, y to the power 1 upon n minus 1 into dy. Now 1 upon n is extra term, not variable format. Therefore 1 upon n is outside of integral. 1 upon n integration 0 to infinity e to the power y 1 upon n by to the power 1 upon n, this power and this power, both terms will be multiplied to each other. 1 upon n into n, this is 1 minus 1 upon n. Y to the power 1 upon n minus 1. That base of both terms is same. Therefore, the sum of the power e to the power minus y to the power 1 upon n. Therefore, 1's cancel with 1, minus 1 upon n plus 1 upon n. Therefore, y to the power 0, y to the power 0 is 1. Hence, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity e to the power minus y 1 upon n dy, and n cross multiplication n gamma n. Now as per the change substitution part, lower limit and upper limit, तो 0 put किया तो this will be 0 and infinity put किया तो infinity is also n gamma n. Now we have already discussed in the second property of gamma function, gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. Therefore, n gamma n is replaced by gamma n plus 1. If you have any query about the properties of gamma function, then write in comment box, okay, and we will discuss in the next video lecture. Okay, thank you.